I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kendi Beauties. So today we're going to be doing a Christmas palettes of Christmas past. Oh my goodness. And look what I got. Actually, this was gifted to me by Kendra. Woo woo. I've been wanting this for a while and it went on sale and she's like, I'm just sending it to you. It's such a good deal. Me and her are both like bargain shoppers. We love good deals. So this is new to me, but this is obviously an older palette. I believe Sephora still has it on, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's right. Sephora still has this palette on sale. And also, you guys, it is a, they're having a sale. I don't know by the time I post this if it'll still be going on, but they have 20% off of sale items. So not only I think it's like $33 marked down from $67, but then also you get an additional 20% off of that. So just saying, really good deal. We're going to do some swatches. We're going to create a look. What is on my face today? I am wearing the ABH Primrose palette. So good. I feel like all these palettes that came out this year for the holidays, like I wasn't like really excited by the looks of them at first, but then like after wearing them, I'm just like in love with all of them. Not all of them, but most of them. Anyways, I have the ABH Primrose palette on. I have my YSL New Look Bare Skin Tint on. Been loving that. My ABH Magic Star Concealer, my Givenchy Prisma Libra powder, and I'm also wearing the blush Grapefruit from the ABH Primrose palette. And then I tried to use one of the shadows as highlight. And then also I'm wearing my Lisa Eldridge Charm Gloss Embrace. All right, so let's get right into this. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos. We have a lot of fun. We're doing a lot of fun videos right now because it's Vlogmas, and we would love to have you join the fam. There's also usually tons of giveaways and just like fun makeup talk and playing with makeup and just all things makeup. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, tap that bell so you can be notified of all of the new upcoming videos. All right, let's get right into this. All right, and let's just like, I just need to commend Huda Beauty because this packaging, you guys, such like so up my alley. I love this packaging. I don't know why I never got this palette. I really don't know why I haven't gotten this palette yet. I really don't know why I haven't gotten this palette. Like, need I say more? Need I say more? Ugh. Why haven't I gotten this palette yet? I'm just so glad I have it now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to play with this palette. Yeah. You guys, I have been loving everything Huda Beauty lately. Their blushes, their Glowish bronzer, I'm in love with. Their brow blade pencil. So good. I like Huda Beauty did no wrong in my eyes this year. Like, they have been coming out with hit after hit after hit. And I'm like, I wasn't, at first when Glowish came out, I was like, but their products are so good. Even the Honey Silk Lip Balm, so good. All right, so, but this is an older palette. So we're going to see what this is all about. We're going to do some swatches and create a look. Stop. Oh my gosh. I was not prepared for this, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. What? Ah, why did I never get this palette? Oh my goodness. This is, I don't even want to wipe these swatches off because, like, do you guys see how stinking beautiful this is? Okay, now moving on to the second row. We have these babies right here. Loving this shade on the end, super pretty. This is definitely giving me like sort of rose quartz vibes. Some of the shades are a little bit similar, like this shade I feel like is very similar. Same with this shade, but similar but yet different, like very different, but some of the shades are a little bit similar. All right, and last but not least, we have the bottom row, which is going to be like more sort of neutrals, but then we have those pops of color at the end there, like the purple and the rose or pink, and then we have like these sort of orange copperish bronze shades. All right, you guys, I'm so excited to dive into this palette. Let's create a look. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here first, this sort of lilac-y purple shade, and I'm just gonna put that like right underneath of the brow area. And I'm just using my Melt Amor Mariposa set, eye brush set, what's new. I feel like I've been using that in every video almost lately. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this deep sort of purple shade called Vortex. Just using this brush. And I think I'm gonna do a halo eye today. So I am just gonna go in on both sides. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this sort of tealish bluish shade, and I'm just gonna go in on my finger first. It's definitely showing up more blue than I thought it was going to. Still, it's really pretty. Okay. Going in for a little bit more precision with my Melt brush. Oh, that is so friggin' gorgeous. I'm in love already and we haven't even finished the look. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Nebula. And I'm just gonna tap that in the middle. know what to do underneath of the eye. I think I'm going to go in with, should I go in with Ultraviolet? Cosmic? I think I'm going to go in with a combination of Ultraviolet, which is right here, and Cosmic. Starting out with Ultraviolet. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna go back in with Mercury, the teal color as well. So I'm just gonna use Ultraviolet and Mercury. And then right on the inner corner, should I go in with Supermoon, which is the shade, or Cosmic? Oh, I can't. I think I'm going to do Supermoon. Just right there on the inner corner. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm pretty happy with the way this is turning out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be back for our final thoughts on this palette. All right, you guys, so we are back in... This is gorgeous. Like, I love Rose Quartz, but I love this better. I feel like I love both. Like, don't get me wrong, this is no replacement for Rose Quartz, but this is gorgeous. This is like the same good quality formula as the Rose Quartz, but you have like your pops of teals and your pops of, you know, sort of like nudes, and you've got your golds in this. Oh, so good. I'm blown away right now. Like, this is such a beautiful palette. And I'm like kicking myself for not getting this years ago when it initially launched. This is so beautiful. You guys, if you haven't gotten this, get this. I know I said that about the Rose Quartz too, and I do mean it about the Rose Quartz, but like, I guess it just depends on color story. Like, if this color story speaks to you, this has more of those fun, beautiful shimmer shades, whereas I think the Rose Quartz has more mattes. I could be wrong, but like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful palette. I just, like, even if you want something more neutral, you have that too in this palette. It's so pretty. It's such a beautiful palette. The formula is stunning. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. You guys, you would be getting this, I think, for like $20-something right now. I'll put the link down below. It's, just get it. Just get it. Just get it. It's so, I mean, it's not a brand new palette, but it is gorgeous. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful New Year's palette. Like, you have your holographics, you've got like your sort of like glimmery, glittery, oh my gosh, but it's not glitter. None of these shades are glitter, thank goodness. But it's so pretty. This is so pretty. I feel very fulfilled in my little makeup Kendi world. Like, I feel like, yes, I'm so glad I finally got this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Go out and get it, you guys. Definitely go out and get it if you don't have it. That's all I can say about this one. All right. Thank you guys so much for, I could just like keep going on and on and on. So I'm trying to stop myself. But Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what your thoughts on this look are, what your thoughts on this palette are. Do you have the rose quartz? Do you have any of these bigger palettes from Huda Beauty? Let me know down in the comments below. What are you guys doing right now? Are you wrapping gifts? Are you baking? Are you just doing nothing and relaxing? Are you working your little tails off? Because that's me right now. Are you like stressed to the nine? Let me know down in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.